my name is Mona. I'm working as a dietitian in Buchinger Wilhelmi and we bring some healthy recipes to your kitchen. Today I show you our healthy nut cream, and what you need is some plant drink, some whole grain flour, any kind of flour you prefer, a little bit sugar, some nuts you prefer, and vanilla. And first of all, you should blend the nuts. And if you don't have a blender at home, you can also chop them. That's enough. You need a pot. Then you add the whole grain flour in the pot, also the nuts, the sugar, stir a little, and then add the plant drink or even the milk. And bring to boil. Bring it to boil, add a little vanilla for the taste. And when it's thickened, it looks like this. So you can put it in a glass. And if you like to have another aroma, you can add some cacao powder, a little bit cinnamon, and what matched also perfect, orange zest. Smells so good. And now it's the same recipe, nearly the same recipe, and you have a different color and a different taste. Now you have two colors and two different tastes. And we need a little decoration. Apple or even blueberries, what you can find at home. And now you have a lovely, heart-melting dessert. Enjoy!